Hey everyone, I'm Sarah and welcome to the very first video on the Canon of Math. All the years that I've been in school, I've always wanted someone to explain math to me in a way that covered everything but yet was really easy to understand. And after a while, I figured that thousands of students around the world are looking for the same thing. So I decided to create a YouTube channel where I share with you guys the different reasonings and explanations that I have learned throughout the years on different math-related topics. Division, multiplication, fractions, anything at all. And I will be posting lots and lots of videos on different math-related topics with thorough explanation and lots of examples so you won't have to worry about your math homework anymore. I really want you guys to enjoy your time and be passionate with what you're learning. That's why I've incorporated these small little details in my videos to help you have fun throughout your learning journey. Like the question of the day. Question of the day is basically a challenge question that I give at the end of my videos, which encompasses what we learned and helps you practice what we studied in that certain lesson. And since it's a bit different than the examples in the tutorial, it helps you think outside the box. And of course, I'll be giving the answer and the full solution in the video after it, so make sure to check that one out to find out the answer. Also, every once in a while, I'll be doing Q&A videos and live streams so I can answer your questions about math or me so you guys can get to know me better. So starting right now, go down and drop any questions or concerns that you guys have in the comment section down below. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on the post notifications so you'll be the first to check out my upcoming video. I also have an Instagram page which you guys can check out where I also do live streams and updates on what's going on with the channel. Here's the address. You guys can definitely check it out and follow me on the IG so you guys stay updated with things that go on with the channel. Love you guys. Bye!